How to change phone number in PayPal. If you are willing to change your number in PayPal, then follow this instruction. First, make sure that you have downloaded PayPal on your iPhone. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure that you have logged into your account. After that, you'll see this home page, and here on the top right corner you can see this human icon. Click on it. Now you can see your profile information here. Click on this account information option. Now click on this phone number see all option. After that, click on your number here. Here click on this edit option. Now make sure to add another number to make it private, then only you can change your primary phone number. So click on continue. Now click on add. Again click on this S option. Now you have to first confirm your number, so click on get your code. After that, you'll receive a verification code on your mobile, so simply copy that code and paste it here. After you have confirmed your number, you can see two different numbers here. Now click on this recently added number and click on make this your primary phone number. After that, click on this confirm. So this is how you can change your number in PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.